This is the Max 6. It's a ruggedized smartwatch with all the basic functions you find in a really nice watch. You've got brightness controls, vibration, weather pushed from your phone when you're tethered, even a theater mode that dims it down and turns off the vibration for you. Twist your wrist to activate it. There we go. You got a settings section where you have access to a stopwatch alarm and a countdown timer. You can control brightness from there. You also have Bluetooth calling in here, and you can activate the phone or leave it off to save battery. Theater mode, all the things we just saw, reset, power off, about, and the app for tethering this thing to the Fit app. You have, in addition to all of that, these different things, including a game that you can play on the watch, other things which we just looked at, a music player, remote shutter, weather. You can measure everything, heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, last night's sleep time, all of that's here, which I can show you actually by hitting the down button for step count, or I can slide through this way. Either way will take you through the list of all of these things. You have recent calls, your dial pad. The sound from the speaker is decent. It's a bit tinny, but it does the job. The calls are great, and the range is really, really good. It goes for a long, long distance, at least 30 feet or more. Remote player, everything you could want. 4 different watch faces in a nice body with a really flexible rubberized band with lots of holes in it. All in all, a really good watch. Check it out. It's the Max 6.